Open and closed sentences. When dealing with algebraic expressions, we considered only terms made by numbers and letters, which may also contain indices, connected through basic arithmetic operations such as addition and subtraction. Such expressions are known as open sentences, as every algebraic expression is nothing more than a word sentence written in a shorter way using mathematical symbols. They are called open because no further information is provided to confirm if the sentence is true or false. For example, 2x minus 1, x squared plus 5y, 4z, 1 over y squared, etc., are examples of open sentences, algebraic expressions, as their value is unknown until we provide further information. However, if the value of the expression is provided, it must be written in the same row after the equal to sign. It is no longer an algebraic expression but an equation instead. For example, we have the following shown on screen. These are examples of equations, as the value of the corresponding sentences is known. Therefore, equations are examples of close sentences, i.e. sentences that we know are true because there is a value to the right of the equal symbol. By definition, an equation can be defined as a mathematical statement consisting of an equal symbol between two algebraic expressions, open sentences, that have the same value. When combined, these two equal open sentences form a single closed sentence. The difference between closed sentences and equations is that closed sentences may be either true or false while equations are supposed to be always true. Example: identify the open sentences that form the following equations. A. 5x minus 3y equals 4z plus x squared minus 1. B. A minus 3b is equal to a minus 3b plus 7c plus 4. Solution. A. From theory, it is known that an equation is a true closed sentence made by two equal open sentences. Therefore, the component open sentences of the given equation are, we have the following shown on screen. B. For the same reason as in A, the component open sentences of the given equation are, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 9.1.2. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.1.3, Components of Equations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.